In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract itch.io games quickly and easily so you can get from a downloaded zip file to actually playing the game in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your downloads folder. This is where your browser usually saves files after you download them, and it's the easiest place to find your itch.io game file. Look for the file that ends in .zip. That zip file is the compressed game folder, and it needs to be extracted before you can open the game properly. Once you've found the zipped folder, right-click on it. When the menu appears, look for the option that says Extract All. Click on Extract All to begin the unpacking process. This tells Windows to take everything inside the zip file and turn it into a normal folder you can open and use. After that, a window will pop up asking you where you want to save the extracted files. In most cases, you can just leave the destination folder set to the default location. That's perfectly fine for most users, especially if you want to keep things simple. When you're ready, click Extract. Now, Windows will create a new folder with the same contents from the zip file, but this time it will be fully accessible. Open the newly created folder and look through the files inside. You're searching for the game's executable file, which usually ends in .exe and often has the game's icon. This is the file that launches the game. When you find that .exe file, double-click it to start the game. In most cases, the game should open right away and you'll be ready to play. If you see any extra folders or support files, don't worry about those unless the game specifically asks you to use them. The main thing you need is the executable file, and that's it. You've successfully extracted an itch.io game and launched it on your computer. If this tutorial saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more beginner-friendly gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.